to communicate to you today my acceptance as the chairman of the Northern Senators Forum. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to my distinguished colleagues for this vote of confidence in me, following the resignation of my distinguished elder brother, whom I hold in high esteem, Senator Abdul Ningi. I wish to acknowledge and commend the decent outing and the contributions he made to the Northern Senators Forum during his tenure. I'm aware of the challenges facing the Northern region, which include security, agriculture, education, healthcare, drug abuse, human trafficking, etc. The major objective of the Northern Forum is to promote the interests of Nigeria first, followed by development of the North through collaboration with our distinguished colleagues from the South, and of course cooperating with the executive arm of government to ensure that the challenges of the region are attended to. We shall therefore work in consultation with our distinguished colleagues to preserve the unity and progress of our dear nation. In advancing these noble objectives, I am committed to streamline activities within the Northern Senators Forum. We shall operate with transparency, accountability, and integrity, upholding the trust placed on us by the electorate. Our legislative discourse will continue to be characterized by civility, dignity, and adherence to the rule of law as we fulfill our lawmaking, policy-making, and oversight functions. I'm confident that with our collective efforts and cooperation, we can effect positive change, uplift the North, and continue and contribute to the overall development of our great nation.